Hey there, let's learn the final 约 together in this class. Start with the mouth say of 约, then slowly spread the lips to both sides and keep smiling. 约. When 约 becomes a syllable by itself, it should be written as 约 with the same pronunciation.
约约约
Let's try some of the words with the final 约。学生，学生。月亮，月亮。That's all for the final 约。
Let's learn the final 晕. When you pronounce the final 晕, pronounce the U first, then put your finger on the nose to feel the vibration. 晕. When 晕 is used as a separate syllable, it is written as 晕, but the pronunciation remains the same.
晕晕晕
Let's try to read these words. 白云，白云。裙子，裙子。That's all for the final 晕. Let's learn the final 渊. Pronounce the U first, then quickly slide to the an. The mouth shape should be smaller than an. Then put your finger on the nose to feel the vibration. 渊. When 渊 is used as a separate syllable, it is written as 渊, but the pronunciation remains the same.
渊渊渊
Let's try to read these words. 花园，花园。圆圈，圆圈。That's all for the final 渊. Did you get it?
Let's learn the final When you pronounce the final roll your tip of the tongue up.
r
Let's try some of the words with the final 耳朵，耳朵。儿子，儿子。That's all for the final Did you get it?